Hello and welcome to DQ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make accessibility part of your development workflow using Axe DevTools for Web. We'll start in the code editor, test live in the browser, and finish in the pipeline, so you can catch and fix issues early before they become expensive or risky to deal with. Let's begin in VS Code. Though I'm using VS Code as my IDE, this would also work in IntelliJ and WebStorm. As I'm writing code, the Axe DevTools linter is watching in the background, kind of like a spell checker, but for accessibility. Here it's flagged an issue with a missing alternative text for an image. I could hover to see exactly what's wrong, why it matters, and even get a link to more guidance in DQ University to remediate the issue. It works with React, Angular, Vue, and it can even lint custom components that you've mapped as well as work within the CLI. Now let's move to the browser. With the Axe DevTools extension, I could scan a page, a component, or an entire flow directly in Chrome DevTools. With one click, I could get instant results. Issues are categorized by severity, and I could highlight the offending element, read a plain language explanation, and get remediation tips. If I need more information, I could click on a link to DQ University and find out more of the disabilities affected by the problem, as well as more principles for remediation. This is a great tool for developers, designers, and QA, especially since no training is needed to get started. For issues that can't be caught manually, like keyboard traps or missing focus indicators, we have intelligent guided tests, or IGTs. These tests walk you through a series of short yes or no questions to help you uncover complex accessibility barriers in minutes rather than hours. These tests leverage AI and decades of accessibility expertise, and they can help push your coverage to 80%. You could also flag over these issues to other members of your team with its built-in Jira integration. Finally, let's talk about scaling accessibility across your pipeline with the Axe Developer Hub. The Axe Developer Hub plugs into tools like Cypress, Playwright, or Selenium. It adds minimal configuration, just a line in your config file, and it can start returning results as soon as you run it. Once configured, it can automatically scan your code for accessibility issues every time a pull request is open. Here in the dashboard, you can see the Developer Hub has flagged a few issues. It also organizes them by severity and helps you track what's been fixed and what still needs work. The Axe Developer Hub also deduplicates these issues across runs, so you're not consistently overwhelmed by repeated errors. The bottom line, accessibility doesn't have to be extra work. With Axe Developer Tools for Web, you could catch issues while you code, test locally in the browser, and automate testing in your CI pipeline. Start a free trial today and build accessibility into your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy coding.